Up to what we have covered? Anyone?
Up to this side, we have discussed atomic models.
Atomic model of what? Starting.
Thomson, Albert, and Bose.
Okay. So students, we are going to study the J.J. Thomson model. Although you people are knowing very well, but still we are going to discuss that one. So let us see from here if I will write it will be visible to you. Here also it will be visible. So J.J. Thomson. So this is J.J. Thomson atomic model. Thomson's atomic model. J.J. Thomson atomic model. So it's very easy, student. How will be able to understand this J.J. Thomson atomic model? This is the first one.
Maybe possibly more students will be there. Sisters and sister don't have related to that. So just announce to those who completed 15 years. Tomorrow they can come and
Student, do it.
will not be there after 5 minutes. Then only they will join.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
Student, those who has completed 15 years, more than 15 years or 15 years, tomorrow there is a vaccination drive, mass vaccination drive here in the school campus. You can come. Those who completed 15 years or they are in the 15 years, you can come. So here J.J. Thomson.
Those who have already taken.
What?
Those who have already taken.
Taken means no need to. How many times you will take? Only one time.
Yes.
Even you are taking 10 times, effect will be the same. So no, those who are taken, who taken? Dipanjana, have you taken or what?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So J.J. Thomson atomic model, what he said, student, this was based on the observation. Okay, how he thought that is the maximum things in the natures are spherical, so that atom will be spherical. Like what? They said that is Earth is spherical, Moon is spherical, fruits like mangoes are there, guavas are there, watermelons are there, spherical. Okay, so most of the things, natural things, occurred in the spherical form. So he thought that is atom will be also in the spherical form. So here the first point, how this model of atomic structure, this model of atomic structure was based on what is student of imagination that maximum things are spherical. Maximum things are spherical. So the structure of the atom is also having similar shape. Right. So what are the first point? Atom have spherical shape. Okay. Second one. All the positive charge in the atom, of the atom, you can write better will be the of the atom present on the surface. Okay. What about the third point, students? The negatively charged electron. The negatively charged electrons are embedded in where student negatively charged electron is embedded in positive charge sphere, are embedded in positive charge sphere. Is it visible to you, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down, please. Write down, please. Write down. So what are the points today? This model of the atomic structure was based on the imagination that maximum things are spherical. So the atom is also having spherical similar shape. So first point, what is there? Atom have spherical shape. Second point, all the positive charge of the atom present on the surface. All the positive charge of the atom are present on the surface. The negatively charged electrons are embedded in the positive sphere. So these are the points. Can I erase this point? Can I erase?
Sir, no, sir, I have not written it, sir, not completed.
No, top one I will erase. Top one. So fourth point, whatever the fourth point student, that is the number of positive charge, the number of positive charge positive charge proton, the number of positive charge proton is always equal to number of negative charge electrons. This is only 4 point important are the 4 point only they are the important. So what are the 4 point? Atoms have a spherical shape. All the positive charges are present in the sphere. The negatively charged electrons are embedded in positive charge. Last point I am writing. Negatively charged electrons are embedded seeds are present in watermelon. Seeds are present in watermelon. Present in watermelon. Watermelon. So this model is also named as watermelon model. So this model is also named as watermelon model. So they are the 5 points are there, students, that you need to memorize. Okay, that any of the model will come, whether the Thomson model, Rutherford model, or Bohr model. Any of the out of these 3 model, one model is surely will come in your final term exam.
So for final term, syllabus is chapter 3 and 4.
Yes. Chapter 3, why is given? Because it is there in the 11th standard and 12th standard also. So that it is given because this is important for your higher classes. So that is this chapter is given 3 chapter, again 3rd chapter. Can I read, student? Can I read this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they are the 5 points, students, that you need to memorize. Now we are going to study the failure of this model. Okay. So when you talk about the failure, student, that is also very easy. You can easily understand the failure. Because the failure was done in such a way that the principle was that is like charges repel each other. The principle was what, student? Like charges repel each other. Okay. And unlike charges attract each other. So let us see the principle. So first one I am writing here. What is the principle? I am writing the what the point I am writing? Like charges. Like charges. Like charges. What, student? Like charges repel each other. Like charges repel each other. That is positive and positive. Positive and positive. That will be what, student? Positive will be repulsion. Repulsion. If you are taking, student, negative and negative, that is also what will be their repulsion. This is the phenomena. And next one, this is the point number first, point number second. Unlike charges, unlike charges, unlike charges, what is going to happen is, student, unlike charges attract each other. You know? Unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges attract each other means positive and negative. What will be there, student? There will be attraction. Positive and negative, there will be attraction. So this point, if you are knowing, student, then only you will be able to understand the failure of J.J. Thomson model. So FAILURE, failure of J.J. Thomson atomic model. J.J. Thomson atomic model. Failure of J.J. Thomson atomic model. Right, student. So how it gets failed, student? Yeah. When Rutherford, when Rutherford passes alpha rays, that is positive rays, that is positive rays, that is positive rays in bracket 2He4, then he found that maximum positive rays, maximum positive rays passes straight, maximum positive rays pass straight to the atom, pass maximum positive rays pass straight to the atom, pass straight to the atom. That is no positive charge. That is no positive charge present on no positive charge present on surface of the atom. Present on surface of no positive charge present on surface of. What was there, student? When Rutherford passed alpha days, that is positive days to Ag4, then he found that maximum positive days pass straight to the atom, that is no positive charge present on surface of atom. That is no positive charge present on surface of atom. So that this model fit. So this model fit. So what we are saying, so this model fit. So this model fit. Can you please make a note of it, student? So this model fit. Student, have you wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write down. Write down.
Yes,
Write down.
sir.
Write down. How many are there in the class? 34 in the meeting. Oh my God. All are there or what? Let me check who are there. Rasmi is there. Gauri is there. Gauri, very nice. You got the good marks, Gauri. 9.5 marks you got. Ujjwal, Srishti,
So my
Shreyas, Shreya Verma, Slok, Shikhar Pandey, Soumya, Satyam, Sinoy Bhattacharya ji, Rosni, Rishabh, Prachi Kumari, Omkar, Nishant Kumar, Nayanika, Mayank, Kusagra Singh, Krishna, Jeet, Khushi Kumari, Kamlendu, Jennifer, Ishan, Ritik, Himanshu, Harsiya, Harsita, Divyans, Diksha Singh, Dipanjana, Aradhana Kumari, Anushka, Aditya Kumar. These many students are there. Student, last time na in the last exam, so many students got less mark. Okay, so this time you please work hard.
can
Last
you
time
tell the
paper was
marks?
chemistry marks. You put the message. Other subject marks I don't know. Chemistry marks I can check. Chemistry marks I'll tell. Okay, put the message. But so many of you are got very less marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, like that you got. Okay. Some student like 10 student they got the good marks like 5, above 5. So you people need to practice more and more chemistry. Okay. If you are taking lightly, na, if you are not taking daily when the exam and thinking when exam will come and you will write, it's very difficult. You won't be able to write. Chemistry is the subject of daily learning. Okay. Chemistry is subject of daily learning. So student, this is what the failure. What I am going to do here. I hope you people understand. So like charges repel each other, like you know very well. That is, if you can do in your home. If there is magnet, positive magnet are there. Same pole you are bringing together, it will do the repulsion. Opposite pole you are bringing together, there will be attraction. So simple that the other pole use that phenomena only, and I know battery fail the model of the Thomson. Okay, so here you see students how it can be failure. So what was two diagram I am making students? Diagram diagram expected by Thomson, expected by J.J. Thomson. Diagram expected by J.J. Thomson. What diagram is meant? Suppose this is the spherical atom is there, right? This is the spherical atom. What he was saying that it all the positive charge on the surface, and when you should pass the positive wave, so positive should repel. You are thinking. So suppose these are the positive waves, so it should repel. This is the positive wave. Positive waves. So according to the law of repulsion, this should repel. This should return back. Okay. Yes, yeah. That should repel. Means that it raised to, okay, expected this one. But what he observed is student, what the J.J. Thomson found. I know. So experimental diagram. Experimental diagram found by Rutherford. Found by what student? Rutherford. What diagram he found is student Rutherford. So when the Rutherford are passing this one, so he found that is all the positive rays are passing. Positive rays. All the positive rays are passing here. So maximum rays are passing straight. It means there is there is no positive charge on the surface of atom. So that is positive rays pass to the atom, pass to the atom. That is no positive charge. That is no positive charge proton, no positive charge proton on the surface of atom. On the surface of atom. On the surface of atom. No positive charge proton present on the surface of atom. Oh, not visible to you. Is it visible, student? What I am writing?
Yes, yes, sir.
Write it down, student. No positive charge on the surface of atom. So this model is so the J.J. Thomson model is so the J.J. Thomson model is. Are you be able to understand, student? Are you be able to understand this? Hello, students. Understood? Online students.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me check how many of you understood. Let me ask this one from someone. Ujjwal. I just want to know, Ujjwal, can you explain what is the J.J. Thomson atomic model? Ujjwal, are you there? Shikhar Pandey. Can you explain the J.J. Thomson atomic model? Shikhar Pandey. Shikhar, Satyam Rai, can you explain the J.J. Thomson atomic model? Srishti, Srishti, these girls are not replying, boys are not replying. What is there? Sinoy, Sanoy, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This model of atomic structure was based on imagination. The maximum things are spherical, so atoms should also have the similar shape. Number one, they have spherical shape. Number two, all the positive charge of the atom present on the surface. Number three, the negatively charged electrons are embedded in the positively charged sphere. Number four, the number of positive charged proton is always equal to the number of negatively charged electrons. Number five, the negatively charged electrons are embedded like seeds present in watermelon. So this model also named as the watermelon model.
Very good, very good. Okay, very good, good. Omkar, are you listening? Omkar, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Why this model fail, Omkar? Why this model fail? Why J.J. Thomson model fail? Anushka Kumari, can you tell me why this model fail? Diksha Singh,
Yes, sir.
Diksha, tell me why this model fail? What is the reason behind the failure of the J.J. Thomson atomic model?
Yes, sir. This model failed after discovery of alpha rays, which is scattered by the Rutherford, in which he find 99% rays passing straight. Um Alpha rays are the positive charge rays, which is passing straight. There is no positive charge on the surface of the atom. Therefore, Thomson's model failed to explain this.
Okay, good. Very good. Jennifer, can you tell me? Jennifer, can you explain the failure of this model?
Sir, J.J. Thomson model was failed after the discovery of after the experiment of Rutherford alpha particle scattering model. According to the Rutherford atomic model, 99% of the alpha rays passes straight to the atom. So this shows that the negative charge particles are not present on the surface. Sorry, positive charge particles are not present on the surface of the atom. So J.J. Thomson's model failed.
Very excellent. Very good. Okay. Now, students, let us try to study the Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Okay, I hope this model will be very much easy for the you people. Okay. Also, you people don't mistake that is whatever I am teaching, that is not enough. Okay, you try to read out some other book also. Okay, if you are reading some other book, student, you are reading some other book, now you will get some extra knowledge than what I am teaching. Okay, so don't depend on any of the subject. Okay, you try to read some other book also, additional book. Okay, don't think that is what the teacher taught, that is that is the knowledge of everything. It's not enough. Okay, if you want to learn good knowledge, you need to go prefer other book or somewhere else you can go. There are a number of sources are there to understand this concept. Okay, so you try to study from other book also. So what I am going to do is, student, alpha ray scattering experiment. Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment. Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Okay, this we are going to study. Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Okay. So how he was doing the experiment, the idea was very different. He was not actually touching the atom. Okay, but he got this one. So when Rutherford, okay, Rutherford took radioactive substance, radioactive substance, radioactive substance. Rutherford took radioactive substance, which which produces which produces strong strong alpha rays, which produces strong alpha rays, that is positive rays, that is positive rays, positive rays 2He4, and then these rays were then these rays were these rays were passed to the thin metal gold coil, thin metal gold coil, thin metal gold coil, and he found and he observed the behavior of he observed the behavior of alpha rays. He observed the behavior of alpha rays to the behavior of alpha rays. He observed behavior of alpha rays to the ZNS screen. ZNS screen. And he observed the behavior of alpha rays to the ZNS screen, which which gets glow, which gets glow, when rays fall on it. When rays falls on it. When the rays falls on it. So once more I am telling you, student, how he discovered, how he performed the experiment. Okay. So Rutherford, okay, took the radioactive substance. Radioactive substance means the substance which produces strong alpha rays. Strong alpha rays means the rays which can produce the cancer. If the alpha rays are passing on your body, it will produce the cancer. Okay, very, very strong alpha rays. You can imagine if these rays are passing to the metal, so it can easily pass to your heart, your bones, your eyes, your nose, everything. Okay, this much of strong rays are there. So this is rays. What they do, student? They create the malignant tumor, carcinogenic tumor, and causes the cancer. Okay. So what he was doing, which produces strong alpha ray, that is positive ray 2He4. The mass of alpha ray is 4 and number of proton in alpha ray is 2. And then these rays pass. Then these rays pass to the thin metal gold coil. Thin gold metal coil, and he observed the behavior of alpha rays to the ZNS screen. To the ZNS screen, you can make it more clear on the ZNS screen. behavior of, he observed the behavior of alpha rays, little bit changes for half alpha rays on the ZNS screen, which gets glow when rays falls on it. So when the ZNS screen, have you seen the ZNS screen? So this is the screen. When anything falling on this, so that is light generate. It get glow. So I need to erase student. Then we'll be discussing these things on the diagram, on the basis of diagram. So first of all, you write down this one. Hey, hello, wrote. Diksha Singh, did you wrote this one? Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Can I Sinoe, can I erase? Sinoe, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Let us write down, student. What is the concept behind this? Students, let us see that is alpha rays are kept in closed container. These are the alpha rays because if they will radiate in all the direction, that will create the cancer. So it is kept in closed container. So this is the radioactive substance. RADIO, radioactive substance. Radioactive substance means the substance which produce alpha rays. These rays are passes to Nicol prism because if all the direction rays are going all the direction, it will fall on your body. So that is again problem. So he is passing, that is Nicol prism. Nicol prism. NiCole. NiCole. Nicol prism. Nicol prism, my student, this will allow some rays to pass, other rays will get reflected. Now these rays are passing to the what, student? Thin gold metal coil. This is the what, student? Thin gold metal coil. This is what? Thin gold metal coil. Metal coil. Now, how is it passing? This way they are passing. So some rays will be passing straight. Some rays are passing straight. Very few rays are getting reflected. One rays are getting reflected, you see, and some rays are returning back. Some rays are returning back. It means here is something will be there. Okay. So we are returning. This is only one atom he considered, student. Only one atom. And this over the behavior he is observing on one student. ZNS screen. This is the ZNS screen. SCR. So here it is glowing. Then here it is glowing. Here it is glowing. In the center it is not glowing. Here it is glowing. So this is what the diagram we was observing. They are the alpha rays. Alpha rays. This is the atom, an atom in gold foil. An atom in gold foil. An atom in gold foil. Now the same diagram what we are saying, that is these are glowing straight. Okay, glow straight. These rays are glowing straight. Okay, so if it is glowing straight means that is what maximum is, rays are passing straight. Glow straight, that is maximum rays pass straight. Maximum rays pass straight. Now some glow here means some rays reflected. Some glowing here and there, so it means that is rays got deflected. That is why this is happening. Are you making the diagram, student? Are you making the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Draw the diagram, please. Student, be careful, please. Very, very careful. The COVID is spreading very fast. Those who are staying home, don't try to go outside, please. Our life is important. If we survive, 1-2 months more, don't go anywhere, student. No need to go. Okay. Means what? That our life is very important. Okay. So we need to go. We need to be in home only.
सर मास्क पहनिए.
Can I erase, student?
No, sir.
Till now we are doing the experiment. I didn't wrote any observation. Okay, glowing. This position glow straight. Yes, straight. That is maximum range pass state. This one glow away. That is rays. What is student? That is rays bent. That is rays bent. Glow away. That is rays bent. Here the glowing means rays has bent. That is why glowing straight means maximum rays pass straight. Student, tomorrow is mega vaccination drive. So kindly either you contact to the school or what you need to do, student, register yourself and come to the school. Okay, if you are 15 year or above 15 years, something the information like 2007 above. Few people are got born on the birth on the 2007. 2007 I was doing graduation, so I am more year. That is what you can say. Elder than you people.
Elder.
Yeah, 2007. 2000. My date of birth is 88.
दूर है अंकल.
Already half years completed. Yes, my age is passing very fast. My age are passing very fast.
बूढ़ा गए.
Yes. No, not like that. You cannot say this. How can you say that? You people are kids, so you cannot say I am the young. Okay, can I erase? Can I erase, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अगर इसी डायग्राम को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाकर इसी डायग्राम को हम मैग्नीफाई कर देते हैं. तो देखिए कैसे मैग्नीफाई करेंगे. द सेम डायग्राम इफ वी मैग्नीफाई द सेम डायग्राम. मैग्नीफाई करने का मतलब इस डायग्राम को लिया और इसको मैग्नीफाई करने जा रहे हैं. मैग्नीफाई करने का मतलब उसको बड़ा करके बनाना. तो बड़ा करके अगर बनाते हैं सेम डायग्राम को, तो ये जो एटम था उसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा ले लिया. अब हम पास करेंगे स्टेट को, तो इस तरीके से अच्छे से दिखाई देगा आपको, है ना. तो इसको मैंने मैग्नीफाई कर लिया. अब आपको पता ही है कि न्यूक्लियस क्या है, सेंटर में पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो इसके पास आसपास रेंज आएंगे तो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे। यहाँ पे देख लीजिए रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब पॉजिटिव से पॉजिटिव चार्ज टकराया तो रिटर्न हो गया, तो ये क्या हो गया, ये हो गया पॉजिटिव रेज, ठीक है। ये कैसा हो गया, ई रेज को अगर बात करें तो ये कहां से जा रही है, स्ट्रेट जाएंगे तो आपका रिटर्न कैसा होगा, नेगेटिव होगा। ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये रेज क्या हो गई, बेंट हो गई। ये रेज क्या हो गई, दिस इज द बेंट हो गई। ये रेज क्या हो गई, ये तो रेज ऐसी थी कि रिटर्न हो गई आर ई यू आर एन ई रिटर्न हो गई। इसी को उन्होंने कहां पे ऑब्जर्व कर दिया, जेडएलएस स्क्रीन पे। तो बड़े डायग्राम में आराम से समझ में आ गया कि सारी रेज कहां पे ग्लो कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट ग्लो कर रहे हैं, मतलब दे आर गोइंग स्ट्रेट, सब रेज आर गेटिंग बेंट। अगर यहाँ पे ग्लो करेगा मतलब बेंट होगा। तो ये क्या है, इधर वाला डायग्राम कैसा डायग्राम है, मैग्नीफाइंग डायग्राम है। इसको भी आप बना करके लिखिए, मैग्नीफाइंग डायग्राम, मैग्नीफाइंग डायग्राम, मैग्नीफाइंग डायग्राम ऑफ डायग्राम ऑफ व्हाट रदरफोर्ड, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन आप लिखेंगे ऑब्जर्वेशन, ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ scattering experiment, scattering experiment, observation of scattering experiment. Put down here, observation of scattering experiment.
Sir, what you wrote in the center?
Center is the return. Rays return, R-E-T-U-R-N-E. Rays return, R-A-Y-S. Rays return. Write down fast, student. I am going to wash my hands. Okay, students, see you tomorrow. We'll be asking you the problem, whatever we taught, that will be asked there. And for the tomorrow vaccination, I already told you. So, we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
students.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.